this video, I'm going to put the Canon 240 and the Canon Pixma MG3620. The process and setup of the printer is the same as the MX472. So even though it may not be exactly, it is still the same procedure. First thing first, I'm going to open up the ink. Should always come sealed in a static bag. Find the perforated hole, and then use that to start your tear, nice and easy. Remove this protective cardboard and foam. Be sure not to touch the contacts here or here. And for that reason, we'll wait until we're ready to place them in the printer to remove this cover. Open the print tray, and then fold down. Give the printer a second to readjust. And we'll pull down on both, or push down. Same with the cartridge, and then it'll slide out. If it gets caught, just pull it and then lift up slightly. We'll do the same. Now you can do the color first, remove, and then replace all at the same time, or you can do one at a time. That way you don't forget which color goes where. But if you do take them both out, there's a chart right here. Shows you how to pull them out and what side they go in. So the color we'll put in first. Now we'll go ahead and pull this off. And to push it in, I'm gonna angle it where the front is up a little, and then it slides into position. And we'll repeat the same process. All right, it'll be a little loose, but you just lock it in like that, like so. And then you go ahead and close everything up. And we'll load some paper in so we can do a test print. All right, that about wraps this video up. This is Lars. If you have any questions about anything you saw in this video, please comment below if there's a comment box, or else you can email us, customerservice@yoyoink.com. Until next time.